Choosing the right IP camera tester can be frustrating. Poor display quality, limited compatibility, weak battery life, and missing features often slow down your work. That's why a powerful, all-in-one tester is essential for CCTV professionals. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best IP camera testers. Reliable, feature-packed, and built for efficient installation and troubleshooting. We researched real user feedback and specs to create this list. Check the description for updated prices and links. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 5. TahLiTech IPC-9800MOVTADHS Pro. The TahLiTech IPC-9800MOVTADHS Pro is a high-end IP camera tester designed for professionals who need maximum compatibility. It supports up to 8K IPC cameras, along with VGA, 8MP, AHD, CVI, and TVI formats. With built-in Wi-Fi, PTZ control, HDMI output, and PoE support, it handles complex installations with ease. The large display ensures clear visuals, while cable testing tools help diagnose network issues quickly. Durable and feature-rich, this tester is perfect for advanced CCTV setups and field technicians. Number 4. POMIACAM IPC-9800 Tester. The POMIACAM IPC-9800 is a versatile CCTV test monitor with strong performance and wide compatibility. It supports 8-megapixel AHD, TVI, CVI cameras, and H.265 decoding with up to 8K video display capability. The 7-inch screen offers a clear and detailed view, making camera alignment and testing much easier. Built-in tools allow IP scanning, cable testing, and PTZ control. Its portable design and reliable battery make it ideal for installers working on site, delivering efficiency and convenience in one compact device. Number 3. TahLiTech Mini 4K IPC Tester. The TahLiTech Mini 4K IPC Tester is a compact yet powerful tool built for portability and flexibility. It supports IP cameras, AHD signals, and 4K HDMI VGA output, delivering sharp and detailed visuals. With ONVIF compatibility and built-in Wi-Fi, users can easily connect and control cameras remotely. PoE support allows direct camera powering, while cable testing ensures quick troubleshooting. Lightweight and easy to carry, this tester is perfect for technicians who need a reliable, on-the-go solution for CCTV setup and maintenance. Number 2. TASHI DT-T71 Tester. The TASHI DT-T71 is a compact 4-inch IP camera tester packed with essential features for professionals. It supports 4K video formats, including H.264 and H.265, along with AHD, TVI, CVI, and CVBS cameras. The built-in 12-volt 1-amp power output allows direct camera testing, while TDR-RJ45 cable testing and digital multimeter functions add extra versatility. Its small size makes it highly portable, yet powerful enough for efficient diagnostics, making it a great choice for field technicians and installers. Number 1. TahLiTech H12-MOVTADHSEF Tester. The TahLiTech H12-MOVTADHSEF is the ultimate all-in-one IP camera tester with premium features and top performance. It supports multiple formats, including CVI, TVI, AHD, HDMI, VGA, SFP, and PoE, along with 8K H.265 IP camera testing. The powerful system ensures smooth operation, while the high-quality display delivers sharp and accurate visuals. Designed for professionals, it handles complex installations with ease. If you want a complete, future-ready CCTV testing solution, this model stands at the top. If you want fast, accurate, and hassle-free CCTV installation, a reliable IP camera tester is a must. These 5 models offer excellent compatibility, powerful features, and great portability. Whether you're a beginner or pro installer, there's a perfect option here. Which one do you prefer? Comment below and subscribe for more.